Welcome to the MiTag Android version setup video. Let's get started. Before we begin, ensure you have the latest version of Google's Find My Device app installed on your phone, and both that Bluetooth and location service are enabled. If you have multiple MiTag, set them up one at a time. To use fast pair, follow these steps. First, turn on your MiTag by press one time the power button near your Android phone. You'll see a pop-up, tap on Connect. Follow the on-screen instructions and tap Agree and Continue. Once done, you are ready to use MiTag. If you missed fast pair pop-up, here is how you can set it up manually. Go to Settings, then to Google. Now, tap on All Services, and go to Connected Devices and Sharing, tap on Devices. Enable Scan for nearby devices. Your MiTag will update under the available devices nearby. Tap on MiTag, tap on Agree, and Continue. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. That's it. Now you are ready to drive your MiTag with Google Find My Device app.